The electronic thermostat assembly, also known as the thermal management module, it is a key component of the BMW B48 engine, which is composed by a thermostat and a heater control valve. The electronic thermostat assembly can accurately control the flow rate of the coolant according to the real-time temperature of the engine, keeping the engine at an optimal working temperature under any circumstances. For BMW vehicles equipped with a B48 engine, usually when the mileage reaches 60,000 to 80,000 kilometers, the electronic thermostat assembly may malfunction, resulting in phenomena such as antifreeze leakage, engine overheating, etc. In case of the above problems, a new electronic thermostat should be replaced in time. Vica electronic thermostat assembly. The outer casing is made of DuPont PA66 plus 30% GF. Compared with other aftermarket brands, the water pipe joints are smoother and the sealing is stronger. The snap rings and bushings are installed with the same process as OE. Different from other aftermarket brands, sealant is used for fixation at the installation position, which is very likely to cause leakage. The chip adopts the same Melexis chip as OE, with more stable signals. The Vica electronic thermostat assembly is compatible with over 20 models of BMW vehicles. Warranty for 24 months.